Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC, we've gone ahead and we have a 2019 Nissan Rogue. And on this Nissan Rogue, we've gone ahead and we've done all the work that we needed to inside there. So now we're just going to be putting our inner door panel back on. So first we want to make sure we have all the electrics that need to be hooked back up. So we got the speaker wire that needs to be hooked up. And then these two connectors, slide them onto their holders here. Place. And then make sure you connect your wires that go to the mirror. Hook those all back up. You hate to put it all back together and you forgot those wires. So with all that put back up, now we can go ahead and take our door panel and hold it up. Make sure this wire goes through the hole here, and then this wire comes through up here. And this is for the mirror adjustment in there. And now we raise it up generally at a good slight angle. There's a channel up here between the weather stripping and get the door to slide down in. And once it's in there, and the holes are lined up, and just work your way around. Pushing all the push pins. Locking everything into place. Good. So we've got that all put into place. We've got a screw that needs a bolt screw that needs to go there, and one that goes here to hold the door together. It's these two screws. So I've got one up top here.